Guko neko Kikuyu podcast. Utuko wa gukia umuthi mundu ti Kalonzo Musyoka ni hithuritie ati nia rathi ja wa bururi. As we speak, all opposition leaders meja wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ai America, Muriuti Matiang'i ai America, Martha Karua ai America, and of course Kalonzo Musyoka athie America. Eniki andu aya othe kana United Opposition mathiete ja wa bururi. Ndirikana kwi video ndamwikire na ngimwira atiriri icera riri Rigathi wa Gachagua guthie kuria America, not just a tour. Ni tour ina maundu maingi muno thiini wamo. From my point of view, aya andu kwina hotekeku munene marathi gucemania na matiracemania mario ati United Opposition. Kwina andu angi, andu very influential na andu aya bado magakorwo determinant thiini wa ithurano cia mwaka wa 2027. It's just planning how mekuhura kampeni ciao ngina tukinye mwaka wa 2027. You know, no ngina mefange uria mekung'ethanira na Ruto. No ngina mefange uria mekung'ethanira na mundu ti Raila. No ngina mefange uria mekung'ethanira na Ruto manginyitana Raila. And of course, micemanio ino emwe matingihota gwikira guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Niki? Because hena andu matenda makome included thiini wa micemanio iyo. Tondu they can't trust anybody. I think it will be just a closed meeting. Kuria mekwaria maundu mao, mari mibango yao, na uria megutindika siasa na mbere, na uria meguthie na mbere gwikara manyitanite. Tondu maga kunyitana, matigithukana uguo, it will be the end of them. So they must be united. And I think maundu maria meguthie kwaririria muno, it's about their unity. Toroguo tu how they will counter these other people. Na thabari ino yao ni rigithitie mwena wa thirikari muno, because ungirora mwena wa thirikari they are not comfortable na andu aya guthie ja wa bururi, because they don't know their plan. And of course mena kuja hingo mathi kuhoya uteithio na nja, this regime is not happy, because any kana igo gukinya siasa andu mena mbia cia kuigana niguo meguhota go transfers kwikone Kenya othe, niguo mekuhota kuura siasa ciao wega. But this regime is not happy. Still andu nimauga ringi hihi andu mathiite gwibanga uria makagayana iteci, basai bado ni mapema. 2025 we are just 2 years to election. Thaici no tene aikore gwibanga uria makagayana iteci cia utongoria. Mundu akoya kina no mebangire mwaka wa 2026 kuma agatagu uguo, igetha mamenye flag bearer wao no moke na manifesto yao and so on and so forth. Lakini sai bado ni mapema, ketwetele tuone uria gwikara. Ngone wa podcast, I just wanted to inform you Muriuti kana United Opposition matie bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya, meja wa bũrũri wa Kenya. Thank you. Government na mũrathime.